Hi, I'm Ruth Wilson and welcome back to my channel where we focus on makeup tutorials for beginners. So today I'm going to show you in this video how you can do a very simple eyeshadow look, especially if you only have money to buy one palette. Just one. Now, with this video being done, I know and understand that there are some people who love makeup and some of them love color. No matter what the occasion, they just love color. But they also have some people who are not a big fan of colors. They would much rather go completely neutral when it comes to their makeup looks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a very colorful look. And if you want to see how this comes out, then keep on watching this video. So as I've said, today we're going to start with colors. Now just imagine it, you only have money to buy one palette, just one palette. It would be preferred that if you're going colorful, that it's best that you buy a palette that's got quote unquote all the colors of the rainbow. Like this one, this palette is called Color Fusion Over the Rainbow by Beauty Glaze. And as you can see on the inside, it is extremely colorful. It's got pretty much all the colors of the rainbow. Pinks, purples, blues, greens, yellows, reds, you name it. It's got all the colors. So in this part of the video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to fuse two colors together. So I am currently wearing pink and purple. I'm wearing a purple top and a pink pants to go to work. So I'm going to fuse pink and purple together from this palette on my eyes, just to show you how you can do a very easy, simple and affordable colorful look. And if you're wondering about this palette, I was able to pick this up at Vidia's Enterprise for our Guyanese people who love makeup. I was able to pick this up at Vidia's Enterprise for $5,000. Talk about a steal. So what we're going to do is get started. So get out your pens and papers. Let's get ready to learn. So the first thing we're going to do is get out your brush, and I'm going to try to see how best I can find a color here that will work absolutely well as a transition color. So I'm going to literally start with the pink on the top. I would much rather start that area there. Please excuse my baby in the background. So I'm going to go in with the pink. Of course, there are other purple shades here, so you can go in depth if you'd like to. So we're going to start with the pink, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. It's on my brush, and let's get started. Now, because I already have on makeup, you need to be very, very careful. If you have a palette that's got literally a lot of pigment, you have to be very careful because there's going to be some droplets in some places. So just be very careful. We're going to go on the other side. First you pat and then you blend. So this side I went a little too much on one side, so we're just gonna pack on some more pink on this side right here. Now it's not really supposed to be this bright, but it's a colorful look, so we're just gonna go all the way in for it. Now that we have the pink on, we're now going to find a purple shade so that we can go on the back here. So I'm gonna go in and go as deep as I possibly can with these two purples right here. I'm gonna mix them together. So I have my purple on the brush, and we're gonna come right here. And you're just patting it right at the end. If you want to, you can pat all the way through until you get the color pigmentation that you so desire. Now, as you can see, by the looks of it, you can see that both the colors are on my eyes, but you can literally see from close up where the purple starts and where it stops. You can see that. Now, we don't actually want to see that. This is the importance of blending. So you're going to take the brush that you apply the pink first because it's a lot more fluffier, and we're going to blend the two colors in together so you don't see where one starts from where the other ends, like this. You're coming right between. You're not adding any more color onto your brush. You're just gonna go in and buff. So now, as you can see a little bit, you're seeing the purple, you're seeing the pink, but you have absolutely no idea where the other started from where the other stopped. So we're gonna come over here and do the same thing right there. And remember that you buff until you cannot see them any longer. Okay. So I, looking from here, cannot see them. Now that we have both colors blended in together, now we're gonna go in with a little bit of shimmer. I mean, if you're gonna go colored, you might as well go with some shimmer. Oh, well, it actually is a very nice pink shimmer. And I do have a purple, but it's busted. This is how this palette looked ever since I brought it home, and I was very disappointed, but I never got rid of this palette. So I want to go in with both of these shades onto my eyes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep on looking and looking and looking, and I am going to put the pink shimmer right where the purple is. That's gonna go in the middle, and then we're gonna add the purple to give it that dimension. So we're gonna go in with our brush, pick up that pink shimmer with the brush, and then we're going to apply that right in the middle, right there. And again, you can keep on applying until you reach your heart's desire. Make sure that when you are applying the shimmer, that it is literally going into the purple. So when you see it, you see that fusion. So you see the fusion. That's what we're really looking for. So you see the fusion of the matte purple with a shimmer pink. And now that we've applied that, we are now going to go in with some purple shimmer onto our brush. And we're going to put the purple shimmer to the inner corner of our crease. I got a little bit of that purple, so we're gonna go like this. Pat it on nice and gently, and bring it into the pink shimmer that you applied earlier. If you want to, you can bring that in a little bit. I'm going to bring it into my inner corner because some of the shimmer literally got all over my nose, and I really honestly don't know how to get that off, to be totally honest with you. I don't know how to get it off. Now we're gonna go in and see if we can find, did I get another brush out? Well, I did. So now we're gonna go and take another brush, a much smaller brush. It'll be easier that you use a pencil brush. And you're now going to take the pink and the purple, and we're going to apply them on the bottom of our lash line. So we're first going to go in with the deepest color, which would be the purple. You be very, very careful when applying this. Comes right here, and remember that you are a beginner, so it doesn't necessarily have to be extremely neat. We are still learning. All right, we have a little bit there. Now I would leave this like this, or I will take a little bit of the pink and I would blend that underneath there as well. So, as you can see, I literally see the matching of the purple with my top. That was really the aim that I was going for. And if you are not a fan of lashes, you go in with your favorite mascara and you finish the rest of the job by putting mascara on your eyelashes, your normal eyelashes. And now we're going to focus on the bottom lash line. Now, if you have a dark eyeliner pencil, you can put that on your lash line as well, if you know how to apply that. Some folks are not really good at it, but for some, you can put a dark one, or you can put an off-white or a white one. Depending on which one you have, you can make this easy, or if you want to, you can leave this just the way it is. And now you have your colorful eyes. That's the end of my video today, guys. Really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Our next video is going to be how we can create a very simple and affordable neutral look for our neutral makeup lovers. I'll see you on my next video.